Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to draw a line in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I already draw the line on some point. So here I show you how to draw it. So normally people just simply select the word and use the shifts underscore to draw the line. But for every point it's the time consuming. For that, simply select the all points. So I just drag with the mouse and select all point. Then use the Control 1, the shortcut key, to open the Format cell. In Format cell, in Number tab, in Category, click on the Custom option and remove the Type General. So I use the backspace to remove it and use the at the rate, then asterisk sign, then use the underscores. And after that, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you see the line is added. Okay. You can easily increase the size of line. Just increase the width of column and decrease the width of column. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.